So thankfully, we have now stopped hearing the misguided and fictional stories about yam and banana and cocoa and dasheen making Jamaicans run fast. Thank God the foolishness stopped. But you all realize, though, that Bolt is retired and VCB is retired, and the golden generation is just about past their best. Yet, we are still expecting to win a record amount of medals in Tokyo. We have some things called history and tradition and systems and structures that have kept Jamaica prominent in world athletics for years. Our youngsters at 3 and 4 years old are running races and developing their competitive instincts. We're venturing more into the jumps and the throws and the hurdles. And even if we think that at this age they are doing it for innocent fun, these situations subconsciously condition the minds of these youngsters for being the competitors they could become in the future. And it is this entire package of circumstances that right now has Jamaica busy counting the medals we're going to win in Tokyo. And not no banana or no dasheen. You know how much yam and cocoa and banana me eat? And me can't even walk fast, much as to run fast.